What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to this analysis of the biggest meme coin in crypto right now, Shiba Inu. We'll talk about the fundamentals a little bit, we'll talk about the technicals a lot, and in general just what you can expect. So let's get right into it. Hope you're all having a great weekend. Shiba Inu is actually not doing that great anymore. We had some bullish momentum obviously with the whole announcement of the Treat token, which is a new token of the Shiba ecosystem. But technically, as you can see, that there has been this bearish momentum ever since the 5th of December, and we have actually been respecting it. You can see that we're respecting this trend line even, and even if this trend line breaks, it doesn't necessarily mean that the downtrend is gone, because you still also have this resistance of the 50 EMA, of the 100 EMA really pushing us down. So I wanted to discuss whether we can actually get above that or not. If we take a look at Shiba Inu right now, I mean, the volume has dropped down quite significantly, especially if you take a look over the last 7 days. You can see that last week, Sunday, the volume was still around 250 million, which was nice, but right now it's dropped down to 60. So we have had a significant drop. Now, obviously today it's also the weekend, so the volume always drops down in the weekend. Yesterday it was still around 100 million, but even 100 million compared to the market cap, still very low. But I mean, we should maybe not judge it too much, because it's a meme token and it's a lot of people, or a bigger percentage of the people hold it instead of transact it. So maybe the volume is lower therefore, but still it is a sign. And then if we take a look at, as I said, the technicals, it just looks very bearish. Like, the thing we would want to do is to get a bullish breakout, because the only way in which you can get out of a downtrend like this is a bullish breakout. Now personally, as I said, it's the weekend, not a lot of big moves happen, and especially not a lot of strong moves. So what I kind of expect for today is that we might actually be able to, like right now our support level, it's a little bit weird, but I think our support level is 800, even though there's this level here at 820. That's always what I name the prices as, but at 820 there's a support level as well. But personally, I think that's going to break. I think we're dropping down to 800 and that level between 790 and 800. And then from there, it gets interesting, because we're going to find support there. But what we essentially need to do is we need to at least get above 840, which is going to be hard. All right, that's a strong resistance level within this key level. But we're really going to need to, I don't know why it's orange, but but we really need to break above that, because only then we can show that there's still strength in Shiba Inu. And what's going to happen otherwise, if we cannot get that bullish breakout, what's going to happen is that, sure, I think we can get there from this level around 800. I think we can get to that level. But if we get to that level, even though we have had a bullish breakout through the trend line, which is, you would say that's good, but even though that happens, you're still not out of the downtrend. You can still see that we're probably then below the 50 EMA, or at least below the 100 EMA, which are also very trending indicators right now. So what will happen then is it would just be a matter of time before we drop back down. And if we don't get a bullish breakout, we'll drop down to 760 and 750. So something like this is not going to happen soon, especially not because it's the weekend right now, but it is definitely what I'm expecting if we don't get that bullish breakout. And that bullish breakout, by the way, could also come right now. I mean, if for some reason we get some bullish fundamentals and we break above 840, 850, because that really is a resistance to break, then the same applies. I mean, then we're probably getting up to 880, find resistance there, drop back down, but then at least I know we can hold this as a support level, because that's essentially what we're trying to do with that breakout. We're not trying to get an uptrend, because that's unlikely to happen, but we're trying to get into a consolidation and to stop the downtrend, which is also bullish. But yeah, so that's my take on Shiba Inu this morning. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.